So Andrea can see the wildfire from the window and the fire is spreading very fast, and Andrea is very scared seeing the intensity of the fire, and Andrea prays a lot to God. And Ali is also watching the wildfire from the window with Andrea, and Ali tell his viewers to be alert, and the wildfire is clearly visible from the backyard of Andrea's house, and there is smoke everywhere in the sky, and Andrea can also smell the fire, and Andrea is afraid that the fire will spread to our house, and Andrea has also sent her kids to school. Now that Andrea start to smell the fire, Andrea start to worry about her kids, and Andrea has to go to pick up kids from the school quickly, and Ali tells that the reason for the fire is the high wind, and due to the strong wind the fire is also spreading rapidly in the forest, and according to Ali many people have been affected by this fire, and many people houses have also been destroyed by fire, and Andrea is very scared and Andrea is crying, and Andrea feels very sad for the people and animals who are affected by this wildfire. And Ali also has to move from home with his family to a safe place. Then Ali and Andrea are going to school to pick up the kids, and many trees have fallen on the way. And Andrea does not understand what is happening, and Ali also gets a message that the city will soon have to be evacuated due to an emergency. And Andrea sees a lot of destruction on the way and everything is looking very scary. And then Fran is also picked up from school and they take the kids back home. And Andrea gets the news that the fire has spread to 5,000 acres, which is a very dangerous situation. And Fran has some pictures that Fran took last night. And the forest fire is clearly visible from the backyard in the pictures. And because of this bad situation, everyone in Andrea's house is worried and scared. And everyone prays to God, and then Andrea starts packing, and Andrea has to leave the house as soon as possible, and Fran also starts packing. And Andrea is also packing all the belongings of her kids, and after a while Andrea packs everything and then they are quickly loading all the belongings into the truck. And Ferhan also starts to feel the smell of fire, and Ferhan can clearly see the fire in the mountains from the backyard of the house, and the intensity of the fire seems to be very high.